Okay, so it looks like now we're about 2 minutes away from the actual totality coming through. As you can see, just again, much less light coming through. Still feels about 60 degrees. Feels like it's just been much less warmer than it was. It was about 92 degrees earlier today, and it's definitely dropped to a very, very comfortable temperature. Light-wise, it looks really weird. I don't know, hopefully the camera's doing it justice, because right now it looks like it would be incredibly dark, normally compared. So again, that's what it looks like. Hopefully that break in the clouds will come right when the totality comes through. But as of right now, this is what it looks like. Really weird setting. Really weird feeling right now in terms of what it looks like. Camera lens looks a little bright, but in terms of the video itself, it feels like it's night almost. Very, very weird visual setting. Okay, as you can see right now, the clouds are going through. Hopefully there'll be a totality coming through at some point. The wind is changing. It's definitely getting noticeably darker from the west. That again is where the totality will come from. See the lights dropped? We're almost there. We're almost at the totality. You can't see it yet, but it's just a little sliver of light. Wow, this is amazing. This is really cool. It's super dark out right now. You can see my shadow on the ground, but again, it's dark. It looks like light. You see that shadow coming through? That's definitely the totality coming through. And now it's completely dark. It's now completely dark. We're in the shadow. And as you see right there, you can actually see the last bit. There it goes. And then you see it around. Oh my God. Oh wow. It's completely dark. It's completely dark. You see the bands around the sun. It's completely covered. It's completely covered right now. You see the bands around the edge of the moon there? It looks as though it's completely dark again. This is 1 o'clock in the afternoon. People are shooting off fireworks. Hopefully we can zoom into this. That's what it looks like. That's what it looks like right now. There's no wind. It's super chill. You can see stars. There's planets over there. And then right now, you can't see the sun, obviously, unfortunately, we're behind a cloud. There it is right there. It's coming back out. We had rain here today in Kansas City. And that's what it looks like. You can see other planets. That's really cool. You can see the atmosphere of the sun around it. Sorry, no, this isn't the best camera for it. That's a rough idea of what it looks like. Again, it feels like nighttime out right now. This is really crazy. Really pretty. So that's what it looks like here. It looks different in real life. The dot is much larger, the light is much smaller. Here in Missouri, we should be having about 20 minutes of totality, or I'm sorry, 2 minutes of totality. And this is crazy. Again, it's 1 o'clock in the afternoon. You see the sun completely blotted out. The camera makes it look like it's a lot lighter than it really is. You got fireworks going off over there. And we're starting to come out of it now. Again, that's not the best. That's what it looks like more. And it's starting to lighten up. As the moon goes through, you're going to start seeing, wow. That's really cool in real life. It's like a blight. Oh, wow. And then the sun comes back. And as you can see now, everyone, it's light. The cows don't like what's going on, they're booking it. But they've had enough. But again, as you look now, the sun completely coming back. The light coming back again at 1 o'clock in the afternoon, you know, middle of the day. That was crazy. So here we are now. We have the totality, and now we're back in the regular swing of things. So obviously it's going to be a couple more hours, or about another hour.